And today we're going to be checking out the Movo X1-Mini shotgun cardioid microphone, or should we say super cardioid microphone. Now, I have used Movo mics in the past. They tend to be very comparable with brands like Rode, but they do tend to give you a little bit of a deeper sound, or at least the previous ones that I have tried out. I have not tried this one out yet, but we're going to try it out in just a minute. And you can see from the top of flopping that there's nothing in there because it's right here. But let's go ahead. We're going to point the camera down. I'm going to show you everything that you get in the little kit, and then we're actually going to hook it up to a few different cameras and hook it up a couple different ways to see how well this microphone works. Alright, so you do get this nice little case. We're going to open it up, and inside you have your shock mount, also a cold shoe. The cold shoe is adjustable. You can just loosen this right here and slide it back and forth just like this, and then you have your where it goes into the cold shoe mount right there, and then you can secure it on there with the second ring. So very cool. You are going to get a dead cat. You are going to get the mic itself, and it does have a foam already installed on it, and this is what the microphone looks like up close. Now, if you notice, that's what the cardioid microphone looks like. And if you look on the back side, you can see that's where your 3.5 millimeter jack goes. And if you notice, there's a picture of a microphone and a headset on there. You can actually monitor your audio with this. This is a non-powered mic. Now, what else you're going to get in the kit? You will get a USB-C to USB-C cord. You are going to get a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter. This one is a TRRS to a TRS, which is probably designed for smartphones. Let's see what's the tag say. Yep, it's got a smartphone on it, because some connections require a TRRS. Then you get a short TRS to TRS for connecting your mic to cameras and such. And then you're going to get your manuals and such, and that's everything that you get. Now, setup's going to be relatively easy. You will just snap your mic into the shock mount, and then you can twist it to whatever orientation you want. And now we just need to connect it to a camera. Now, the first camera that we're going to connect it to is going to be the Ace Pro 2. This is an action camera. We're going to connect this via 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter. If you plan on using this with the Ace Pro, you will need an adapter. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and install this on here. Then we'll take our 3.5 to 3.5, TRS to TRS, and we will connect it to the back, and we will connect it to our adapter. Let's go ahead and switch this camera and see how it sounds. Alright, so this is the Ace Pro 2 with the built-in microphone. I am not using the Movo mic yet. I just wanted to give you a quick audio sample of what the camera's inboard mic sounds like, and now we're going to switch to the shotgun mic. And now this is with the Movo super cardioid microphone. How does it sound? Like I said, this is a cardioid microphone. It does not have to be powered. It is completely independent, and that's going to be great for vlogging and such, because of the fact that you do not need to remember to charge your microphone. How does this sound? Microphone check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that's the results from the Ace Pro 2. We're going to go ahead and power that off. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to switch over to the Action 3. And the reason why I'm switching to this camera is because I can plug the mic in via USB-C. So we're going to see how that sounds on the Action 3 compared to no microphone. Okay, so this is the DJI Action 3 with the built-in microphones. No external microphone yet. I just wanted to give you a quick baseline. And now we're going to switch over to the Movo mic. Okay, so now we're on the Movo X1-Mini shotgun super cardioid microphone going through the DJI Action 3. And how does this sound compared to the internal microphones? It should sound a lot better. You should have a better sound, and overall it should be working a whole lot better. Alright, so there you have it, the Movo X1-Mini super cardioid shotgun microphone for vlogging and filming. Now you can use this in a studio setup. You could put it on a boom pole if you wanted to capture audio somewhere else. I think it works pretty well. I just reviewed the footage. It is definitely an improvement over inboard microphones. I like the fact that they give you the wind guards, including the foam one and the dead cat. It comes with all the cables you need. It comes with the shock mount and even a nice storing case to give you everything you need for using this little microphone. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.